Welcome back to the another session of Advanced MS Excel. So today we'll be talking about absolute reference and relative reference. So let's get started. What is relative reference? So relative reference is set by default by the Excel. Okay. So here in this case, if you see 10 and 20, you have to just add these two values. So put comma 10 plus 20 and you get the value and the result. So this is without any dollar sign. So any number, any result which you get without putting any dollar sign in in the formula bar, you can identify that this is a relative reference. And here in the relative reference means that you do not take any reference of any particular cell. Now, let's talk about absolute reference. So, absolute reference is denoted by the dollar sign. Why do we use dollar sign? Let's understand this. So, I'll be using VLOOKUP, very traditional formula, but very powerful. So, VLOOKUP, and if you want to understand and learn VLOOKUP, so you can just watch my previous VLOOKUP video for that. So we lookup value. So lookup value is this comma and table array. Table array means the complete range or the range. So table array, I took this and then comma, then column index number. So I need the result from column number 2. So this is column number 1, this is column number 2, 2 comma 0. 0 is for exact match, and bracket close or the parenthesis close and hit enter, and then select it and press Ctrl T. So here you get your result along with the formula in each cell. Now let me tell you how does absolute reference makes difference. So as you can see and look at very closely, if I put the cursor here and if I press shift and 4 key, and here you have another way of doing this. If you directly want to put dollar sign, so press F4 from your keyboard and you'll be able to lock cells. So now what will happen that I have logged this 3 means this row number 3, which means that if I drag the formula, so formula dragging will not work and it will give me the error because I have logged this. I just need the result only in the first cell, not in any other cell. So formula will not be dragged. So which means that if you put the dollar sign in the cell number before the cell number, it does not drag the formula in this case, but gives you the result in the very first formula. Let me just show you how. So I just clicked here. Now here, if I just drag this formula, look at very closely, it is D is not logged. This particular column is not logged, but this column's row number 3 is logged. And if I just drag this formula and just do it, and now here it gives me the error and it says that value not available error, a value is not available to the formula or function. Okay, now look at very closely again. Now if I immediately just remove this and just hit enter and then just drag it, it will give me the value. So I hope you have understood that why do we use actually the absolute reference. This is the reference process which is used by putting dollar sign just to log one particular row, okay, or the complete column, the row, so that we cannot drag the formula, and something which is very fixed, we need not to drag it. Okay. And now here the bonus point is that if I want to just calculate the total, just press Alt and equal sign, and here you get your total value. So thank you so much for giving your precious time. Have a great day ahead. I'll be coming with next video very soon.